Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Short Talks.
Hi friends, we are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will talk about morning routines.
Yes, morning routines are the things we do after we wake up.
This is a great topic for beginner English learners because we use these words every day.
And today, we will practice together step by step.
We will listen, discuss, and listen again.
You will hear simple English, useful phrases, and real conversations.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us if you can.
And if you enjoy this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
Okay, let's start. Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Let's teach an important phrase, wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Let's repeat together.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Again.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Great job.
Now let's make more examples.
My brother wakes up late.
My mother wakes up early.
I do not want to wake up.
Very good.
Now, listen to this short dialogue.
Good morning, Ronald. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I like quiet mornings.
Nice and simple.
Now, listen again.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Good phrase. Get out of bed.
It means you leave your bed in the morning.
Example, I get out of bed quickly.
Or I stay in bed for 10 minutes.
Sometimes I stay in bed too long.
Me too.
Let's practice.
I get out of bed at 7.
Again.
I get out of bed at 7.
Very good. Ronald, what is the first thing you do after you get out of bed? I drink water.
Healthy.
Thank you.
Drink water is another useful phrase.
Example, I drink a glass of water every morning.
My father drinks tea in the morning.
My friend drinks coffee.
Nice.
Now let's talk about brushing teeth.
Yes, we say brush my teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Or I brush my teeth 2 times a day.
Let's repeat.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Again.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Excellent.
Ronald, do you brush your teeth before breakfast or after breakfast?
Usually before breakfast.
Interesting. I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Different people have different routines.
Exactly.
Here is a short conversation.
Do you brush your teeth before breakfast?
Yes, I do.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
That's okay too.
Another common morning activity is taking a shower.
Yes, take a shower.
Example, I take a shower in the morning.
My sister takes a shower at night.
Good examples.
Some people say, I shower.
That's correct too.
Let's repeat together.
I take a shower every morning.
Again.
I take a shower every morning.
Perfect. Ronald, do you sing in the shower? Sometimes.
Really?
Yes, but I sing badly.
That's funny.
What about you?
I listen to music.
Nice.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Many learners know this word, but let's practice useful sentences.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice example.
I eat eggs and toast.
I drink coffee with breakfast.
Let's repeat a sentence.
I eat breakfast every morning. Again, I eat breakfast every morning. Very good. Stephanie, what is your favorite breakfast?
I like fruit and yogurt.
Sounds healthy.
What about you?
I like bread and eggs.
Delicious.
Let's learn another phrase. Get dressed.
Get dressed means putting on clothes.
Example, I get dressed for work.
Children get dressed for school.
Let's repeat.
I get dressed after my shower.
Again.
I get dressed after my shower.
Excellent work. Ronald, do you choose your clothes quickly? No, sometimes I change my shirt many times.
Really?
Yes, I can't decide.
That happens to me too sometimes. After breakfast and getting dressed, many people go to work or school.
Right. Go to work and go to school are very useful phrases.
Example, I go to work at 9 a.m.
My son goes to school by bus.
Let's repeat together.
I go to work in the morning. Again, I go to work in the morning. Great job. How do you go to work, Stephanie?
I usually drive.
I usually walk.
Walking is nice in the morning.
Yes, fresh air helps me wake up.
Okay, everyone. Now let's do a listening practice.
Listen carefully to Stephanie's morning routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I drink water. Then, I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I get dressed and go to work.
Nice.
Now let's discuss some important words.
First.
Then.
After that.
Finally.
These words help us talk about order.
Exactly. They help your English sound clear.
Let's practice again.
First, I wake up.
Then, I brush my teeth.
After that, I eat breakfast.
Finally, I go to work.
Excellent.
Now listen again to Stephanie's morning routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I drink water. Then, I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I get dressed and go to work.
Did you understand more the second time?
Repetition is very important for learning English.
Yes, listening again helps your brain learn naturally.
So don't worry if you do not understand everything the first time.
You are improving already.
Now Ronald will share his morning routine.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed quickly because I do not like sleeping late. Then I make coffee and eat toast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth and get dressed. I leave home at 8 a.m.
Very clear.
Thank you.
Everyone, listen again carefully.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed quickly because I do not like sleeping late. Then I make coffee and eat toast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth and get dressed. I leave home at 8 a.m.
Let's teach a few more useful phrases.
Great idea.
Phrase 1, make coffee.
Example, my dad makes coffee every morning.
Phrase 2, leave home.
Example, I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Phrase 3, feel sleepy.
Example, I feel sleepy in the morning.
Let's repeat.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
Again.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
Nice work.
Stephanie, are you a morning person?
Sometimes.
What does morning person mean?
A morning person likes mornings and feels energetic early in the day.
Good explanation.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
I think I am more active at night.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Now let's do a mini speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at.
Say your real time.
I eat.
Say your real breakfast.
I go to.
Say work, school, or the gym.
Great job.
Speaking out loud is very helpful.
Even short sentences are powerful practice.
Let's learn one more phrase. Be in a hurry.
Be in a hurry means you do not have much time.
Example, I am in a hurry this morning.
She is in a hurry for work.
Sometimes mornings are very busy.
Yes, especially on Mondays.
Mondays are hard for many people.
Very true. Okay, friends, let's review today's important phrases.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Get dressed.
Go to work.
Leave home.
Feel sleepy.
Be in a hurry.
Excellent job today.
You listened, repeated, and practiced English naturally.
That is the best way to improve fluency.
Little by little, day by day.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Keep listening to English every day.
And keep speaking, even if your sentences are short.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what is the first thing you do in the morning?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Take care, keep practicing, and see you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye.